Time for a Skytrack Tower ride. It's just about 2:30.
Skytrack Tower, the tallest freestanding structure in all of Lake County. As we begin our ascent, remain seated and keep your arms and feet away from the windows. The cabin you are seated in will carry you 330 feet into the sky, offering incredible panoramic views of the park and beyond. On a clear day, keep your eyes clear and you might even spot the Chicago skyline. Relax and enjoy this bird's eye view from the tallest tower in all of America. The 2026 season is extra special this year as Great America celebrates its
Hurricane Harbor was so refreshing right now.
From June 20th through August 9th, the park has limited time shows, specialty food offerings, and an all-new nighttime spectacular that you definitely won't want to miss. Great America is home to 2 kids areas designed for thrill seekers in training. Kids on this in County Fair and Back to the Park in Hometown Square. Classic kitty posters too, like Little Decker and the Sparking Rockets. Beyond those, the whole family can join the fun on attractions and movies and rings. Churrasco and the Great America Scenic Railway. Working to level up the family fun, the Wizard rides its way through the trees of Hometown Square and is a favorite first coaster for guests of all ages, from kids to grandparents. Not only is the Wizard one of Great America's original attractions, but it's also the last of its kind left anywhere in the world. Before you leave Hometown Square, check out Lobster and Hometown Fun Machine or head over to County Fair to feel the forces of fun on February 4th. Did you know the Lobster originally called right behind its home and also spent some time in the name of East River Crawl? For intermediate thrill seekers, the challenge of the D-Wave awaits. Originally called the 20th Century, this classic coaster was repossessed by the Eagle during the year of 1979 and transformed the trip to get riders and really unique look at County Fair ever since. Over the past 50 years, we've introduced some incredible record-breaking rides, including our most recent addition, the Wrath of Rock Shasta, standing at 180 feet tall with over 3,000 feet of track. This down coaster takes you down to the before plunging 971 feet down a record-breaking 96-degree drop. Do it all at 67 miles per hour and flip through 5 intense inversions, and you've got a coaster that will have even the weirdest feeling the wrath. Need to fuel the fun? Alongside park favorites like pizza, burgers, and chicken strips, our 50th anniversary celebration features limited time specialty foods. Think limited fries, specialty pizzas, and nostalgic nights inspired by the last 5 decades. Make sure you save some room for dessert, a fan favorite from the park's opening year mix of turtle with a reimagined ice cream parlor and Boulevard Square. You can enjoy classic scoops, nostalgic flavors, and sweet treats that harken back to the park's earliest summers. Before you leave, explore the Emporium in Orange Place, your one-stop shop for apparel, collectibles, and exclusive 50th anniversary merchandise. While you're there, take a step back in time at the Great America Legacy Museum featuring photos, artifacts, signage, and memorabilia from the last 5 decades in the country of fun for everyone. Make sure you stay through the evening to see our all-new 50th anniversary nighttime spectacular. Every day ends with a parade featuring brand new floats, a high-energy stage show, and a fabulous finale featuring pops of pyrotechnics and dazzling drones that will light up the summer night sky. When the sun rises down, don't worry, because the fun keeps going. The fall season brings tricks and treats,
Go for a ride in the lazy river.
Fun Fest, with new is creeping into the season. Join us starting mid-September to see what nightmares await if you dare. As we make our way back down the tower, please remain seated until the cabin comes to a full and complete stop. When exiting, please use the doors facing next to us. Thank you for riding Skytrack Tower and enjoy the rest of your day here at the Great America.
We're all happy. They were waving to us. Everyone started waving.
Please remain seated until the ride has came to a fully complete stop.
I could tell they were waving at that place.
Yes.
It was like,